Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy fall. I know it's been a long time since I've done a sit down video, and I also know that it's not technically fall yet. But that being said, I wanted to get a head start and I'm coming back to you guys with an exciting fall unboxing. So I picked up an item for fall that I think is going to be a huge staple, and I just couldn't wait to show you guys. So I wanted to get this video up. And a side note, you may notice that the quality is a little bit different. I won't speak too much on that, but stay tuned for the next video. So you can tell by the box, obviously, this package is from Madewell. So let's get into it. Woo. So order form, don't need that. I know exactly what's in here. And here's a look at what's in the box. Still can't tell what it is. I'll give you a hint. It's a dupe of a bag that I'm obsessed with and I keep seeing on Pinterest. So this is like the affordable version of that bag. Gonna cut through the plastic now. Ah, so exciting. So I backed up so you guys can fully see the bag, but this is her. Literally so cute. I'm like so obsessed. So this is one side. And then we've got the other. This is like the perfect shade of suede. Love the material. And I will open it up, pull out the strap, because this is a very slouchy bag. Like, oh my, let me stand up. This needs a moment. Do you guys see this bag? So on it looks like this, and I'll back it up. This is how the bag looks on. I'm so obsessed. It's literally so cute. Perfect size. And this is like a bucket bag. So it has a little closure right here that's metallic. So that helps to keep the bag closed. And then you can literally, I'll open it up and show you the inside. Just throw everything in there. And there is some last paper bits, but you can really see how much space this bag has. Like, it's huge. So I'm obsessed, and I really like the hardware too. This is gold hardware, super shiny and also very gold, and I'm obsessed. And I will tell you guys also, like, my mom bought this bag. I had told her I bought it and I showed her a screenshot and she was like, send me the link, like I need this bag. And I sent her the link and she bought it immediately, so hers will be here tomorrow. So Mom, if you're watching this, a little sneak peek for you, but I am obsessed with the bag. And then now let's do a run through of the specs. Okay, so now for the specs. I literally don't want to put this bag down. I'm like clutching it for dear life. But I ordered the Essential Bucket Tote from Madewell, and I got it in the shade Tawny Khaki. And they have other colors of this bag as well, because I was deciding between this bag and the darker brown. So they have like a really dark chocolate brown suede color. And they also have, I believe, a maroon suede. And I saw like a ton of leather options for this bag as well. They had a black leather, a brown leather, like a tan leather, tons of options for this bag. So I'm obsessed, and I can honestly say it was worth every penny. And I even love how the suede like continues onto the strap. Like, it's everything. This bag is literally everything. And I really love this fall bag. I think it's pretty affordable, and it's a good dupe for other bags I've been seeing. For reference, if you know, you know that Saint Laurent suede bag. I think it's like the Le A57, like the shoulder bag, the bucket tote. I'll insert a picture here. I'm obsessed with that bag, but I was not gonna drop $3,200. So I got this one instead, and I'm super happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.